Hi everyone, I'm Kat, founder of Clear Unity Bags. I'm so excited because today I get to introduce you to our most popular bag. This is our Crystal Clear Crossbody bag. It's $39. It comes with its own adjustable strap, but I'm showing it right now with the $19 Glam strap. What's fun about these is that you can adjust it to a short shoulder strap. You can adjust it to a longer shoulder strap depending on how you like it to land. Or you can use it the way I like to use it, which is a longer crossbody. So I can go to the sides, I can go to the front, and I can go to the back. So this bag is NFL compliant, which is great. It holds an entire water bottle, but it still has a small profile to it. It also comes with its very own insert bag. So this comes with it. This is good for just like hiding stuff that you don't want people to see. And this is NFL compliant as well, so you can just use it as a wristlet separately. It comes with its own little charm here, which is easy to put on keychains or other charms, which you guys know I love having my charms. Our entire line is vegan. This is that soft vinyl as well, which is really easy to clean with just a wet washcloth. Again, $39, and then the Glam strap is $19. This is the gray one. Then we have it in red, blue, brown, which everyone loves because it's so versatile, pink, crowd favorite, and then my favorite is the teal. So again, this is a Crystal Clear Crossbody. Check it out and let me know what you think. Thanks, guys.